Hey guys, welcome to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept render. Welcome to our channel presenting you OnMagic V5. The OnMagic V5 is an exciting evolution in the world of foldable smartphones, particularly if you've been waiting for a phone that checks all the boxes. And before moving ahead, do subscribe for regular updates. Diving straight into the unboxing experience, you're greeted with the OnMagic V5 in all its glory nestled in a sleek box. And this is more than just a box. It's a reflection of the phone's sophisticated nature. The matte black finish and the metallic accents exude elegance. Lifting the magnetic lid, the phone sits right on top, unfolded and ready to impress. Underneath the phone, you'll find a neatly organized set of accessories. It comes with a 66W fast charger, a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, a premium leather-like protective case that fits the foldable form perfectly, and a SIM ejector tool. Plus, there's a quick start guide and warranty documentation. What's noteworthy about the unboxing experience is that it's not just about taking the phone out of the box. It's an experience in itself. It has a curated presentation that reflects Honor's attention to detail and their commitment to offering a premium product from the very first moment you interact with it. When it comes to the build quality of the OnMagic V5, the word impressive comes to mind. From the moment you lay your hands on it, you're met with a robust and well-crafted device. One of the most significant upgrades with the Magic V5 is its hinge. It not only folds smoothly, but does so with a sense of sturdiness that inspires confidence. Say goodbye to that unsettling feeling of fragility associated with some earlier foldable devices. The OnMagic V5 addresses this concern head-on, with a hinge that not only opens and closes with ease, but also stands the test of time. Now let's talk about the most transformative feature of this device. Its 7.92-inch internal display. When unfolded, this display seamlessly integrates into the overall design. It's almost entirely screened with minimal bezels, creating an immersive experience that's hard to match. The crease on the display, while still noticeable, is less visible compared to previous models, and Honor has done a fantastic job of making it less apparent under normal usage. But here's where it gets really interesting. The outer 6.43-inch cover screen doesn't feel like a mere aid. It's a full-fledged display that complements the inner screen. Whether you're catching up on messages, browsing the web, or enjoying some entertainment, the cover screen offers a comfortable one-handed experience. Now let's take a closer look at the details that make the OnMagic V5 stand out. The aluminum frame is not only visually appealing, but also durable, giving the phone a premium feel. The back panel was coated with a soft matte finish that resists fingerprints and glistens subtly in the light. These thoughtful touches, combined with a sturdy hinge, create a device that not only looks like a premium phone, but it feels like one too. The Magic V5's performance is nothing short of spectacular. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, this device is a true powerhouse. The 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage ensure that multitasking and gaming is smooth and responsive. Even when running multiple apps simultaneously, the phone doesn't break a sweat. Apps opened quickly and switching between them is seamless. Whether you're playing resource-intensive games or editing photos, the Magic V5 delivers top-notch performance. The cooling system is efficient, keeping the phone cool even during extended gaming sessions. Let's shift our focus to the displays. The OnMagic V5 boasts two stunning OLED displays. The cover screen at 6.43 inches offers a crisp and clear viewing experience. Its 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and the colors are vibrant and accurate. But the real magic unfolds when you open the phone. The 7.92-inch inner display is a sight to behold. Its immersive nature makes watching videos and playing games incredibly enjoyable. The minimal crease is hardly noticeable and doesn't detract from the overall experience. Both displays have a peak brightness of 1600 nits, making them visible even in bright sunlight. Whether you're using the phone indoors or outdoors, the OnMagic V5 has you covered. In terms of battery life, the OnMagic V5 truly impresses. Despite its compact design, it packs a 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day with heavy usage. Even with continuous gaming or streaming, the battery remains resilient. The phone's software is also optimized to manage power effectively, ensuring that you get the most out of each charge. When it's time to recharge, the 66W wired charging gets you to 100% in under an hour. Additionally, the phone supports 50W wireless charging and 10W reverse wireless charging, providing you with versatile and convenient charging options. For a device that folds, the OnMagic V5 surprisingly offers a water resistance rating of IPX8. This means it can withstand water immersion up to 1 meter for 30 minutes, making it more durable and less prone to damage from water exposure. Now let's discuss the cameras. The OnMagic V5 comes equipped with a triple camera setup on the back, consisting of a 50MP primary lens with OIS, a 50MP ultra wide-angle lens, and a 32MP telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom. The camera system delivers excellent results. The primary lens captures sharp and detailed images with vibrant colors and impressive dynamic range. The ultra-wide-angle lens is equally impressive, providing a broader field of view without compromising on quality. The telephoto lens is perfect for portrait shots and close-ups, offering a nice level of zoom for capturing those special moments. The front of the phone also has a dual camera setup with a 16MP selfie camera on the cover screen and the main display. Both cameras are capable of producing high-quality selfies with accurate colors and good detail. The cover screen camera is great for quick selfies, and the main display camera is perfect for vlogging or video calling. Additionally, the Honor Magic V5 introduces several AI smart features that enhance the user experience. AI smart features such as Smart Calendar, Magic Text, and AI-driven photo enhancements elevate the user experience. These features make daily tasks easier, communication more effective, and photos more stunning. The Honor Magic V5 continues Honor's legacy of blending cutting-edge technology with a strong focus on design. It's a testament to their commitment to pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. The device boasts 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and an in-display fingerprint scanner for seamless connectivity and secure authentication. Its IP68 water resistance ensures durability, and it has a fingerprint scanner for convenient and rapid biometric logins. The Honor Magic V5 doesn't just redefine the foldable smartphone category, it sets a new standard. It's a device that caters to those who demand the best in performance, design, and innovation. If you're considering a high-end smartphone or have been intrigued by foldable devices, the Honor Magic V5 certainly deserves your attention. It's a phone that not only meets expectations, but exceeds them, leaving you with an unforgettable user experience. So this was all about the Honor Magic V5. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, do hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and give your reviews in the comments down below. This is our channel, and we will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.